Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How was your day, guys? I hope well. I will read the article. Car finance just falls aside expert. Direct, hmm, sorry, car finance resolve aside exploit. Direct user to refer recent contract. Finance redefined. Hmm. Privacy protocol Monero is getting a major upgrade. Monero, the popularity privacy-focused cryptocurrency protocol, is preparing for a major network upgrade this weekend. Library for Saturday equals 13 Monero, whose native token is Monero XMR, is an open source project that launched in 2014 as Bit Monero. It claims XMR is a secure, private, and untrackable cryptocurrency that keeps financial transactions confidential. Monero will undergo a network upgrade in less than 48 hours, said a reminder and join us for our Twitter space Q&A and update us what is enabled. The upgrade will be implemented via a hard fork fragment change to the blockchain that isn't backward compatible nodes either except the change of the split of onto a separate blockchain upgrade your software. Today, tomorrow, FU18 said one Monero developer in an interview with CoinDesk. On the free day, he added the user sold the families themselves with the Monero blogspot published in April that explains the upgrade in detail. Read more Monero, the privacy can explain it. Monero uses innovative cryptography to offer a high level of privacy and security to its users. Some of the cryptocurrency features include creating signatures, digital signatures that can be processed by any member in a group. It shall be computationally feasible to determine which key from the group uh, of keys was used to create the trace or origin of a monetary transaction and traceability. Here address one-time address that are automatically created for each new transaction. All incoming funds in different address. Those different address can't be linked to the bank back to the user's publisher address. Can be linked back to the user's publisher address or any other transaction address for the method. Only the sender and receiver know the address the payment was sent to and capability. Ballots approves zero knowledge proof that enable confidential transaction on the memory and the other protocol. A confidential transaction is one where the amount being transferred had been cryptographically concluded. A period in the model that hides the connection between transaction and the node IP address. The increased transaction privacy balance and exchange several key exchange such as Bitrex and Gigant currently have the receipts model. While the support model included Ledger and the Trezor, two popular hardware vaults, Kenworth is how developed was originally executive to monitor but now as support Bitcoin BTC, Litecoin LTC, and Heaven XDF. Bitrex to release privacy coins Monero, Gas, and Zcash. Saturday's scheduled upgrade will introduce several features. Here are some of the expanded. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.